Isa na po kasi nakakasulat sa kanila. Hindi po ko maasa sa kanila. At napupunod sila ang maling.
So now, welcome to the FEU Alumni Homecoming, December 2nd, 2023. Alright. So, nandito kami ngayon celebrating the Alumni Homecoming after our oath taking. Yeah. Being one of the board members of FEU Sword Fraternity, ROTC Inc. Nag-oath taking kami dito, and then ito na. I just wanted to siguro mag-reminisce lang ako ng mga past mga memories dati. As you can see, i-flip ko lang yung cam para makita ninyo yung eating. And that's the ES building. Diyan usually yung mga subject na main. Yan. Sa harapan kami ng court, pero I don't know kung what's on top of that ES building or IS building, Institute of Arts and Sciences. So parang parang covered court, I don't know. Palagay ko hindi na siya IS building ngayon. Ang dami na nabago dito sa FEU. Ayan, doon ginaganap ang Alumni Homecoming. So, merong program dito, as you can hear. Merong isang malaking LED na TV para doon sa mga hindi malalapit dun sa parang stage, makita nila clearly, magbigay ng mga general information about the FEU or the Far Eastern University. This is our grandstand where a lot of memories had transpired when I was a cadet officer of the Far Eastern University Reserve Officer Training Corps. Dito ginaganap ang aming presentation of sponsors. Yung stage na yan, nandyan yung mga guest, mga VIPs and military officers, as well as the president of the Far Eastern University. And from there, ito yung quadrangle niya. Dito nagawa ang presentation of sponsors. So magmamarch yan dyan, paikot, okay, hanggang dito. So dito namin pinapresent yung sponsors with the brigades and the battalions, the companies, and so let's check yung ilalim ng grandstand. Palagay ko check natin. Dito usually dito kami tumatambay kasi ang DMSU or yung Department of Military Science and Tactics nandoon sa part na yon. Ayan, hanggang second floor, and on top is the library. I don't know if it's still the library of the school. And dito I have a lot of memories here. Saan ba? I believe dito Ayan, dito ako pinaakyat ng aking first class. Pinaakit niya ako dyan, tapos nahuli niya kasi ako nag-smoke. So pinasindihan niya sa akin yung 10 piraso ng ng sigarilyo para sindihan ko. So, yun yung pinaka-punishment ko. So, maraming memories dito sa FEU na to. Dito sa likod ng grandstand. Andito lahat ng mga, yung mga discipline. 'Di ba? I cannot say that it is or let's just say it's a form of a punishment to instill discipline. So I have a lot of memories here. Okay, ayan dyan, ayan dito. Oh, by the way, dun sa sa Quadrangle, pasok tayo sa NRH building o yung Nicanor Reyes Hall. Okay. So, dito dati ang on that part, nandyan yung student affairs, and on the other part is the Department of Military Science and Tactics. Ang laki na ng pinagbago. So ngayon, ito yung dating DMST or Department of Military Science and Tactics. Hanggang second floor siya. Tapos nandito yung supposedly nandito yung flip ko lang yung camera. Supposedly dito sa part na to yung aming entrance ng headquarters ng FEU ROTC o yung Department of Military Science and Tactics. So again, nandito ako sa grandstand. Ayan, ang grandstand, and at the same time, dito ako sa Quadrangle where I experienced touring as part of the punishment to instill the discipline in my cadetship days. So from that end until the grandstand, you have to you make a tour, something like that. You have to march on a heavy rain. Meron kang raincoat, yung kung tawagin namin ni Poncho. It is a military supplied raincoat supplied by the Reserve Command, and it's free naman. Okay. So, ayun. Siguro dito na lang muna magtatapos. I have to enjoy the alumni homecoming celebration. Until next time, idol. Bye.